Hello guys, my name is Sakwadie. In this video, I'll show you how you can enable Google Authenticator app, your two-step verification on your Facebook account. So to start, click on any browser of your choice, your computer, then in the address bar you log into Facebook website, then enter your email and password, then log in to your Facebook account. So after logging into your Facebook account, on the top right corner, click on Accounts, then you click on Settings and Privacy. You click on Settings, after clicking on Settings, you click on Security and Login. Here, this will prompt you to enable Google Authenticator app, my Facebook, by scrolling through two-factor authentication section. Then I click on Use Two-factor authentication. By clicking Edit, to promptly choose the option or mode use as my two-factor authentication. Here you can choose Authenticator app or a text message. Here, text message will be sent to your phone. Use a secret code. Verify your login. Have enabled two-factor authentication. This video showing you how you can link Authenticator app to your Facebook account. So here I will choose Use Authenticator app. Clicking on Use Authenticator app. It will prompt me to scan QR code to link my Facebook account. So here, if you can link up the QR code to your Authenticator app or Google Authenticator app, you first need to install Google Authenticator app on your phone. So after installing on your phone, you open it. So this is my phone. You can install Google Authenticator app from Play Store. So this is my phone. Then I click on Authenticator app install on my phone. Scan the QR code. Facebook web portal by clicking the plus icon. So by clicking the plus icon, will give you option to scan QR code on your Facebook web portal. So I click on scan a QR code. I use phone camera to scan the QR code. So after scanning it, it will automatically link my Facebook account with Authenticator app. That's Google Authenticator. This is the Facebook. Then I click on continue. Clicking on the continue, you enter. This is the kit code generated by Google Authenticator app to link or verify your Authenticator app to be used Authenticator for your Facebook. Then I enter. It says the git code. confirmation code column. I enter and I click on continue. This will link Facebook, my Authenticator. Now Facebook account is linked. So use the Authenticator app. It's my tool verification. Verify my Facebook login anytime I want to log in to my account. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon, like, comment, share the video. Thank you.